Hello once again, Monster Hobbies Model Car Garage Mechanics, and welcome back to another great unboxing video. So today we are looking at 1/24 scale figures for all these great cars and dioramas and everything else. And today's figure is one from Masterbox. Now this is Joni Lookout Johnson and her dog Maxx. Arrgh. So this is part of the Truckers series. This is kit number 5. And without further ado, let's go down to the bench and see what's in the box. So here we go with Joni Lookout Johnson and her dog Maxx. Now I had to turn the camera tall ways in order to get this all up. But like you can see on the box, this is a pretty cool little kit. Some nice artwork on there. Trucker Series number 5 by Masterbox. So I'm just going to turn this over just like this and then come in a little bit, right on. So what we have here is the instructions for the model kit. Now this is a sitting figure, which is good for inside your big rig trucks like the AMT kits, lots there. Here's some of the other figures. You got hitchhikers and some of the other truckers. I did unbox this guy because I have him in my collection. And there's also a girl sleeping in the back for those extended cab trailers. Again, really cool. I guess tractors is the right word. So here's the one and only parts tree. You have the dog, both left and right side, and then you've got all the pieces to build the figure. We also have color callouts from Vallejo, Life Color, Tamiya, and Master Color, and the colors themselves. And here is what the figures will look like built up. Now Masterbox is unique because they have a box inside the box. So the outside of the box is actually just a skin, and inside you get this pizza box kind of deal. So opening it up, we have our parts tree, which is under some tension. And let's just take this out of the bag. Now the bag has a sticky strip along it. Now that sticky strip allows you to reseal the bag if you want to put this back in. So here we have the dog, Maxx, and you can see just how nice this looks. Two-piece head, so there will be a seam line up the center, but hopefully it's not too bad. And then we have the girl herself, the face there, and her little ripped off jeans. Again, really nicely done. Hollow on the back side. Shouldn't take too long to actually build. Again, wonderful casting by Masterbox out of the Ukraine. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video where we got to see Joni Lookout Johnson and her dog Maxx. Another great model kit by Masterbox. So if you're looking for model cars, model trucks, or even these amazing figures, don't forget to check out our website at www.monster-hobbies.ca for Canada. That's right, up north, your neighbors to the north. If you're watching from the US, which most of my viewers are. Otherwise, we're all the way out across the ocean from England and Europe and I don't know, everywhere else. But at any rate, check out our website. You'll find some great models there, and we ship around the world. Also, if you dig this channel and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so every time I make a new video, you're the first to see it. Won't that be great? And what else can I say? Keep on trucking, everybody, and we'll see you in the next video.